This is the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Tuesday, the 12th of February. I'm Michael Groff. We've got a cold front headed our way. It's going to cool things off only temporarily, bring us some relief from the summertime warmth. But then temperatures warm back up as we head toward the weekend with chances of rain returning. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. We tied a record going all the way back to last year with a high temperature of 84 degrees. The low 64. Outside right now, here just after 9 a.m. Cloudy skies out there, and yep, it's soupy. 73 degrees at Tampa International, dew point at 69, humidity 87%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning primarily in the low 70s. Yeah, this is kind of what we would expect to see in the mornings, maybe toward May or even June. Not here in February. And the upper air look across the country, we've got that trough that's bringing a major winter storm to the Great Lakes in the Northeast. A trailing cold front headed south from there is poised to our north and west, and that will bring a round of showers and maybe a few thunderstorms to the area today. The watch warning map, we've got winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories out in the western states, from the Sierras on north to the Cascades, the Sawtooth Mountains. An ice storm warning around Chicago, and winter storm warnings extend from eastern Minnesota and Iowa all the way across the Great Lakes into the Northeast. They're expecting the snow to pile up over a foot of snow in some spots. And of course, ice will be a problem as well, freezing rain and just a big mess. That's the bottom line. Convective outlook for today. We've got a marginal risk of severe storms across parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, but that is all to our north. We're not expecting any severe weather, though we could hear a few rumbles of thunder. And precipitation valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rainfall amounts here across central Florida, generally in the 1/4 to 1/2 inch range. Most of that will come with our cold front that passes through here, but we do expect at least a small chance of some showers over the weekend, and we'll detail that now as we check out the models. Here it is, the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. There's our cold trough now over the Great Lakes, and that cold front dragging south, so down at the surface today. Mostly cloudy skies. I guess there could still be some patches of fog through the mid-morning, and then we'll just see that chance of showers. Showers and thunderstorms will become likely later this afternoon and tonight. Highs today should still manage to get into the low 80s, maybe even the mid-80s in a couple of spots, depending on how much sunshine we get. Tonight will be cloudy with showers likely, maybe a thunderstorm. Lows mostly in the 60s. And then tomorrow, a bit cooler. It'll be breezy to locally windy. Showers likely in the morning, then decreasing clouds to the afternoon. Highs upper 60s to about 70. Then, as we get to Thursday, the rain's out of here. That's good. Sunny skies. Highs should be mid-70s, around 75 or so. Then on Friday, we've got another front that's going to stall out north of the area again, and a short wave develops over the Gulf and moves across the region over the Friday and Saturday time frame. So we'll put a slight chance of showers into the forecast then. High temperatures still hold into the mid-70s, maybe even mid and upper 70s on Saturday with a small chance of showers. We'll call it 20% for now. Sunday looks partly sunny. Chance of rain, I guess. There could be a shower someplace, but we're going to keep the forecast dry for now. I say dry, but the air mass will become increasingly tropical again with southwesterly winds in the low levels of the atmosphere. And highs back close to 80. Same thing for Monday, could be in the low 80s with a chance of showers coming back in. And then here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 19th. Got a big trough out in the central and western states. Very cold air out there. Around here, it's a southwest flow aloft a ridge off the east coast. And so that spells temperatures very warm. Some of the guidance coming in with highs in the low 80s. The ensemble has us up in the mid 80s, which I'll show you in a moment. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 21st. And that still looks warm and relatively dry, but we do have a front approaching from the west, and that could spell another chance of showers and storms. Let's check those temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period. How about that? Mid-80s as we get out there toward the early part of next week. That might be a little overdone, but the idea of temperatures well above average and getting close to record levels is still in the offing. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And as always, your comments, questions, and suggestions are encouraged. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great Tuesday.